Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you a classic ZX Spectrum British game from 1983. This is considered a classic, okay? You would consider it very basic by today's standards, but it was a classic for the time, okay? For those who are genuinely curious about British culture, okay? Okay, the game has now loaded, okay? So now, I'm going to show you it. Now, I personally own this game, and I bought it many years ago as a child, okay? When we had I had a computer game. Well, I had a Spectrum then. I still have a Spectrum, but it looks slightly different these days. But I shouldn't say when I had one because I still have it. So, but I don't really use it anymore, to be completely honest, because if you want to play games, it's easier to play them under emulation than it is to get the real Spectrum out and fiddle with tapes and will it work and won't it work. But you saw how people loaded games in the past using cassettes, okay? Now, let's play the game. Now, it's basically, on the surface, it is a shooting game, okay? But not many people know this. There's actually a pacifist way of playing it. Unlike many of the shooting games at the time where you had to kill the aliens to get to the next level, on this particular game, if you're very talented, you didn't need to kill any aliens at all. So if you're a member of the People for the Ethical Treatment of Aliens, you will appreciate this game, because alien lives matter too, okay? Right, let's try and play this game in the pacifist way, but you can shoot as well, okay? Now, the idea is you're meant to build a spaceship first. Now, just to prove that you can shoot, I'm shooting nothing here, so I'm making sure there's none nearby. Then once you've built the spaceship, you drop the fuel over the spaceship. These are little optional bonuses. You don't need to get them, you only need to get the fuel. Sometimes the aliens die if they touch one of the platforms, okay? But that's not your responsibility, okay? If the alien touches you, you die, okay? So if any aliens touch you, you die. Okay, so it's going to be a bit more difficult. But I still believe I can do it, but it's going to be a bit more difficult. I'm trying to see if I can do this without shooting any aliens at all, okay? Just for those that believe that alien lives matter too, okay? Oh dear, it's getting difficult. And now I've won. I've gone up into the spaceship, and it's going to take me to the next level, which will look identical. And now I'm on the next level where I'm greeted with some much more difficult aliens, okay? I'm not sure if I've ever beaten this level without destroying any, truthfully. To be completely honest, because it's a lot harder, okay? You do not get any benefit for not shooting them. So, in fact, I think you get more points if you do shoot them. But I'm just trying to show you that for supporters of Alien Lives Matter, you can theoretically beat this game without actually shooting any aliens at all. If you're super talented. Well, at this game at least, you know. Oh dear, I've lost my first life, okay? This is, as I said, it's much harder. And I think they tend to home in on you, I think, on this level, so... Oh dear. Oof. Oh dear. Yeah, these are like... These are much harder because these have got homing darts, okay? Oh dear. Oh, you prick. I'm on my last life now, so I don't think I'm going to do very well. I wanted to see if I could show you the next spaceship, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do so. no. It's ridiculous. I can't because it's not. It's going to be possible. Wow. And now we get to build a brand new spaceship, and you notice the number's now gone to 2, okay? So here, we now know it's going to number 2, okay? Oh dear. Oh no. Oh look, I've got one more life. Oh dear. Oh dear. I didn't live long enough to show you the second spaceship. Sorry guys, but you got the idea, okay? So, it's pretty similar like that. The platforms don't change, you get 4 spaceships and several sets of aliens, okay? But I proved it's possible if I was good enough to probably beat the entire game without shooting any aliens at all, right? Because alien lives matter too, okay? I'm sure if you want to see aliens actually being shot, there are plenty of other YouTube videos which you can find, which will show you shooting aliens. But I just want to show you that it was possible to beat this game. No, I didn't beat it, I've just beat a few levels of it without actually killing any aliens whatsoever. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, bye.